What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller in the Miata, back here with another video today. So I'm gonna try to do something a little different, and I know I've said that in a lot of the past videos, but we don't have the Skyline, so gotta get creative. Literally today we're gonna be going to Walmart, and I'm gonna see if I can get some like faux fur fuzzy material that I can cut out and make a dash cover for. I'm also gonna be keeping an eye out for something I can use as like vent covers or something, because I hate the holes. They make it just look really incomplete and it bothers my OCD like fucking crazy. And then third thing we're gonna be looking for is maybe a piece of metal that I will be able to use on the kit bumper to fix it, basically, since I can't get that structural piece off of the stock bumper. So we're going to Walmart. Let's do it. You already know we got this front row parking, and I really just accepted wearing a mask at this point, so wish me luck. All right, so Walmart did not have it, like anything, so we're gonna try like Joann's or Michael's or something. Let's do it. Well, you wouldn't believe it, but Michael's Crafts does not have a fabric section. I swear to God, I'm not this dumb. This one did not have, like, you know, the row of rolls of fabric. So Spencer is like bugging my ass to go home and see him because he's home from the beach. So we'll go pick up Spencer, get some boba, and he's just gonna have to ride with me to try to find some fabric. All right, you guys already know. Well, I guess you don't. I got a strawberry lemonade today because it's hot as fucking shit today. Spencer got the mango slush with the mango jelly.
If I choke on that, I'm suing.
What? If you choke on what?
I got plastic at the end of my straw. That's
Why?
loose.
Well, you gotta take it out of the plastic. Also, we found the biggest vehicle and the littlest vehicle in this parking lot. Spencer's gonna drive home. He hasn't driven this thing in a fat minute. You excited? Huh?
I'm destroying the transmission of the
Jesus Christ. All right, wish me luck. All right, so Spencer's driving us to Michael's Crafts. Well, no, this one might be a Joann's. So this is our my third try on trying to find the stuff for this dash cover. So wish us luck. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to turn this video into something else. So I guess you'll find out in a couple seconds. He's already almost stalled out. Two guys 2 feet away in a Miata because we're not gay. So we literally are pulling up, and this used to be a Michael's or a craft store of some kind, and it said Michael's Crafts coming soon. Go online to apply. I was like, you're kidding. So looks like we're gonna have to find something else to do today. Spencer can't shift. Made it home. I made it home. Spencer had to go do something else. I thought, what not a better way, there's not a better way to break in the new toolbox than cutting up some fabric. So we have, I believe that's like a rabbit, and then like this fake black fur that I'm pretty sure I can use as a dash, which is gonna be sick. And then we have this other thing I can cut up. I called my mom. It's like, hey, you have any like faux fur, anything you don't want? She was like, yeah. I was like, all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull just the front of the Miata in the garage because it's about to start storming, and we'll get into it. Got the Miata in the garage. What I'm gonna do to start is take the razor blade. We're gonna cut out this little inside liner, kind of unfold everything and see what we got. Here's the update. I kind of just got like really into it. So I cut out that like inseam thing, I guess you can call it. Here is the first update. It looks pretty baller. I'm trying to work out like a bunch of these little wrinkles I'm either gonna rock the wrinkles like this or I'm not. Next we're gonna move on to like the shift boot and that boot, and maybe trying to make that out of the same material too. Because I have a little bit left of the black, and then we'll move on to the white. As you can see, this light keeps going in and out because it's fucking storming. All right, wish me luck, boys. That took all of like 30 seconds, which is sick. First other interior piece done. Move on to make one for the e-brake and the shift knob. Here is another update. We have the middle piece, e-brake, shift knob, behind the wheel, the dash. I'm probably gonna get shit on for doing this, but I don't really care because it's something to do. I'm really bored, tired of my interior being stock. I really do need vents because that pisses me off so much. When I got the car, they were spray painted white and I hated that. So I pulled them off and tried to like paint strip them, and then that didn't really work, and then they like ended up breaking, or I lost them or something. So I have no idea where they are. That's just what happened with them. Now we have 2 more things to work with if we really want. I don't know where I would put any of this stuff. I'm gonna go back to the drawing table, think about a couple options for it, and see if I want to do it. I just found out my friend Ian, he's had God knows how many Miatas, has air vents. So I think I'm gonna go pick those up. First, I'm gonna go to advanced because I have these LED interior lights that I can turn on and leave white, but I'm gonna see if we have like a red film or a blue film. That way I'll have some sort of interior lighting for the car that is not blinding white light. So let's go to advanced and check out what we have. I brought this thing out of the garage, and you can see everything a lot clearer. The garage lighting is very shitty, but let's go to advanced. All right, so thankfully advanced had what I wanted. As you guys can see, these lights are now pinkish red. I can switch those on. Got my little trees. I went with black ice. There were too many decisions. I was like, all right, we're just gonna have to go with black ice. The only thing left that's like missing to this interior are the vents. I have not heard back from Ian tonight anyways, so I don't think I'll be going to pick those up. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions or comments on the new Shag interior, and oh, I found this thing. I mean, I found it in like a parking lot. I was like, whatever, dude, I'll put it in the interior. The lights, if you guys have any comments or anything on today's video, please be sure to go down in the comments and let me know. This video turned out to be a lot more fun, for at least me anyways, learning to make this stuff and cut it out and trying to get it to fit. All right, I did a couple other things after I stopped recording. I filled the hole in my seat with some of the white fabric, and then I also did my visor covers. That side's hanging down a little bit. I need to fix it. I mean, overall, this turned out great. So I don't know, just something really fun to do. Hold on, let me turn my LED light off. Still kind of really hard to see. We're gonna turn it back on. Okay, yeah, so here it is. This is my point of view of driving, which is just absolutely horrible for actual scene purposes, but the view is great. Anyways, y'all, there it is. So anyways, enough talking. This has been Fitz Miller in the Miata, and I'll see you guys in the next video.